Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a pie, step by step. We'll cover everything from preparing the dough to achieving that golden brown finish. You'll learn the secrets to a truly delicious pie, ensuring every slice is a treat. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a culinary masterpiece that will impress your friends and family. This guide will help you master the art of pie making with confidence. A truly great pie begins with an exceptional crust. For a flaky texture, use very cold butter and avoid overworking the dough. Combine 2½ cups of flour with 1 teaspoon of salt, then cut in 1 cup of cold butter. Slowly add 6 to 8 tablespoons of ice water until the dough just comes together. Chilling the dough for at least 30 minutes is crucial for easy handling and a tender result. The filling is where your pie's flavor truly shines. For an apple pie, use about 6 cups of sliced apples, combined with 1/2 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to prevent a watery filling. Remember to taste and adjust the sweetness and spices according to your fruit and preference. A well-balanced filling is key to a memorable pie experience. Baking your pie correctly ensures a beautiful, golden brown crust and a perfectly cooked filling. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 15 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 375 degrees. Continue baking for another 40 to 50 minutes, or until the crust is deeply golden and the filling is bubbling. Let it cool completely before slicing for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.